So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 8 of learning AI. So in the last section, we have seen the introduction to the Python and also function and libraries, and also we have seen how to use an NumPy and all. So in this today video, we're going to see one most essential library called as Pandas. So we have seen the NumPy, right? So like that only, we have another library called as Pandas. So I will take one cell here. I will import that pandas. Import pandas as pd. So this is the standard way of importing pandas. So why we need pandas actually? So we have in the real world we just don't have any like numerical values like list and all. So we have all sets of datas like string and all. So to deal with those type of data types, we have these pandas. So pandas uh, will give us one data structure which is useful for dealing with those kind of datas. So I will by taking one example, I will explain you why this pandas is essential. So I will take one df. Df means this is like you can say it as a data frame, so which is one most essential data structure in pandas. So pd dot data frame. So this is how we'll use the data frame here. So here we're going to pass one python one python dictionary. So before that, I will what make one python dictionary here. What I'll do, or dict, or else python dict is equal to, or else product. We'll take product is equal to, this is how we'll define on dictionary. So the dictionary will contain key value pairs. So I will first take a product name. So here the product might mouse. We have some sort of products like mouse, keyboard, USB webcam. Like this, we have some four products. Along with the product, the price is $79, $129, $29, $99, 0.99 in stock. And also, what I'm thinking, I'll add one extra price like items are else sold items. Let it be, we have sold some 30 items for of that particular mouse. Here we sold 40, 34 sold for 50. For this we sold 20. So this is the typical dictionary, Python dictionary. So which is used, which this we will use to insert to data frame. So here we'll provide that product dictionary. Here I will explain you these a data frame. Think of data frame as a spreadsheet, where in the spreadsheet it is a kind of a tabular data which has headers, column headers, different data types of columns, and along with the rows, right? So think of like that only. So product name, it is one column. This column has mouse, keyboard values in that particular column. This price also one like that columns. So these are also columns. I will print this df. You'll get to know. See, we got our data frame. So this is exactly like a table, right? So product name is a column, price, in stock, sold items. So these are all the rows. Each row is represented by one index: zeroth index, first index, second index, third index. Okay, yeah. So the pandas will give us some useful methods. We'll quickly look those methods. The first method is pd dot head. What this method will do, df. This method will get first 5 rows of the data frame. So it is very useful method to look and also to verify the exact structure and content of the data frame. We'll execute this. See, this is how we'll get that. Okay, actually there are only 4 items here. If there are more than 5 items, we can able to get that 5 items. So this is one of the most useful method to verify those data frame. Okay, there is another method called as info. So it is one of the this is also one of the important method. What this will do, it will fetch the summary of that data frame. See, we got the summary of this data frame, right? Instead of this, we'll copy. Okay, it's fine here only. See, here we can able to see the entries. It has 4 entries like rows 0 to 4, and also there are total 4 columns. And also it has given the technical data like column name as 4 non-null values, and the data type is a object. The product name is a C. Here in the data frame, the string is represented as an object. Okay. In the price, we have float. It is also non-null column, which is a float. In stock, it is a true or false, means it is a boolean, so it has given here as a bool. Here sold items, it is in type of integer, so that's why it has given as int 64. Okay. Now we have another method which also sort of essential, that is describe. We describe. Oh, describe. Yeah. So what this describe will do, I will comment this out. So you got this describe, right? So what this describe will do, and describe is a essential method to get all the numerical columns data. Not apart from numerical, we won't get here only numerical data, right? So you can able to see here the price and the sold items, the price and the sold items, because the stock and the mouse is not a numerical, right? So if there are any, like if you want to do any numerical sort of calculation and operations, you can use this describe to get that value. And also here we have all the data, uh, if this describe will automatically or automatically do the like operations. This is the essential operations like getting the count of the whole column data, and also mean of that whole column data. So std mean like minimum 25% of that whole column, 75%, and which is the maximum column also. So here the maximum column is 129, so it has given 129 here, and here it is 50, so it has given 50, like this. Okay. Now we're going to do another we're going to see how can we able to get will do this operation on csv file. Okay. So to uh, to import on csv file, we need to save on csv file. In the text editor, I have already added this data. This is how the csv data looks like. So I will save this. sales dot csv. Okay, I have saved. That's what I'll do. You need to come here, this folder icon, just click here. Here we have an upload option, just click upload, get this csv file, open. So here is imported. So already we have imported pandas. What I'll do, pd dot read csv sales dot csv. We'll take it as csv df. I'll print that csv df. Now we're going to see what is that data. Yeah, we have successfully imported the one csv file into our collab. So we also used this read csv and we successfully able to print that csv. See, we got all sorts of data. Here it has integer, it has string, it is also string, it has price, that is an integer, the date also we have, and also the string. So see here, we'll apply those what we have seen in the what we have seen, like the methods, describe method, info method, and all those sort of things, all sorts of other methods. So before, like we'll apply those csv dot df csv df, sorry, first we'll verify the data. Yeah, see here there are 7 items, 7 rows, right? So here we can able to get the first 5 rows, 0 1 2 3 4 5. We got first 5. I'll comment this out. Now we'll see the information of this data frame. See, we have got the info, total 6 columns, 7 entries, means 7 rows, all these data types, non-null counts. Okay, now pdf, we'll see that describe. See, we have only 2 columns with the numerical values. So we got all those the standard operations on those particular columns. Now there is another one most important attribute which is already we have seen in the NumPy, that is csv df dot, that is shape attribute. From this shape attribute we can able to see the dimension of that particular data frame. It is in tuple maybe. Yeah, see, this represents that the data frame has 7 rows, 6 columns. Okay, yeah. Now I will take this data frame csv df, or else what I'll do, see here in this data frame you can able to see we have order id as an unique column, right? So we can represent we can do, or we can represent instead of this indexing, we have that unique the order id, so we don't need these indexes, right? So we'll remove the these indexes, we'll make it as unique. So okay, to do that I will take csv indexed is equal to db dot read csv sales dot index sales dot cv. So Indian column, so index call means indexed call, not data. We'll take it as order id. So if we print this csv indexed, we should be able to get, see, order id as the unique representation of that particular row. So this 001 represents this first row indexed of instead of these indexes. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you find this video as useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment below in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Thank you.